How often does stress impact your daily life? Today at Radiant Life Realities, we are all about being mindful. In the hustle and bustle of the contemporary world, stress has become a constant companion for many. It's like an unwanted guest that refuses to leave, affecting our health, productivity, and overall quality of life. But what if we told you there's a way to show this guest the door? Enter mindfulness, a time-honored practice with roots in ancient traditions, now validated by modern science as a powerful tool for stress relief. Mindfulness encourages us to live in the present moment, to savor each breath, each thought, each sensation. It's about embracing the here and now, irrespective of past regrets or future anxieties. Mindfulness is not about eliminating stress, but learning to dance with it, to acknowledge its presence without letting it take the lead. The wonderful thing is, anyone can cultivate mindfulness. It doesn't require special skills or tools, just an open mind and a willing heart. Today, you will learn 7 simple mindfulness techniques to help relieve stress. Begin with mindful breathing, a fundamental exercise in mindfulness. This simple yet powerful technique is all about centering yourself in the present moment by focusing on your breath. Here's how you do it. First, find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Feel the air filling your lungs, hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale. Pay attention to how your chest rises and falls with each breath. The beauty of mindful breathing is that it allows you to anchor your mind to the present, away from the worries of the past or anxieties about the future. It's about fully immersing yourself in the act of breathing, feeling the rhythm, the sensation, the calmness it brings. So whenever you feel stress creeping in, take a moment to practice mindful breathing. Remember, the key to mindful breathing is to focus on each inhalation and exhalation. The second technique, the body scan, promotes awareness of your physical presence. Imagine yourself lying down in a peaceful space. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Now, start by focusing on your toes. Feel any sensations there: warmth, coolness, tingling, or maybe nothing at all. That's okay too. Gradually let your attention move up to your feet, your ankles, your calves. Don't rush this process, take your time. As you progress, you might come across areas of tension or discomfort. Instead of trying to change or avoid these feelings, simply acknowledge them. This is all about awareness, not judgment. Continue to scan upward, through your thighs, your hips, your stomach, all the way to your head. Feel your body as a whole entity, connected and present in this moment. By focusing on each part of your body, you can increase awareness and relieve stress. Mindful eating allows you to enjoy and appreciate your food more. It's a technique that invites you to use all your senses in choosing to eat food that is both satisfying to you and nourishing to your body. It's about noticing the colors, smells, flavors, and textures of your food, chewing slowly, and getting rid of distractions. Start by taking a moment to sit down at your meal and take a deep breath. As you pick up your food, notice its texture and color. When you take a bite, take the time to savor it. Chew slowly, allowing your taste buds to recognize all the different flavors. Try to identify the ingredients. Is there a hint of garlic? A dash of cinnamon, maybe? Let go of the urge to rush through your meal. Instead, embrace the moment, relish the experience, and let the act of eating become a form of relaxation. Mindful eating can transform a simple meal into a more satisfying and stress-relieving experience. Mindful walking is another approach to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. This technique involves focusing your attention on the simple act of walking, truly experiencing each step you take. It's about being present in the moment, feeling the ground beneath your feet, and noting the subtle movements of your body. Begin by standing still, sensing the weight of your body pressing down into the earth. Then slowly start to walk. Notice how your weight shifts from one foot to the other, how your muscles flex and relax, how your arms swing in rhythm with your steps. Try to pay attention to these sensations without judgment, just observing them as they are. If your mind wanders, which is perfectly normal, gently guide it back to the sensation of walking. This practice can be done anywhere, whether you're walking to the store or just pacing in your living room. With mindful walking, even a short stroll can become a stress-relieving activity. Mindful listening is an effective way to be present and reduce stress. So, how do we practice this technique? First, find a comfortable place where you can sit quietly. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Now, open your ears to the world around you. Listen to the sounds that fill the air. It could be the rustling of leaves, the hum of your refrigerator, or the distant chatter of people. The key is not to label or judge these sounds. Simply observe them, let them come and go, just as you would with thoughts during meditation. Don't try to focus on one particular sound. Instead, allow your awareness to flow freely from one sound to another. This process might be challenging at first, but with practice, it becomes easier. Mindful listening is not about trying to make sense of what you hear, but about being present with the sounds as they are. Mindful listening allows you to engage with your environment in a relaxing and stress-reducing way. Mindful observation encourages you to see the world with fresh eyes. It's about immersing yourself in the present moment and truly observing what's in front of you, with no judgment or analysis. Imagine you're an artist, studying the details of a scene for the first time. You could focus on a flower in your garden, a cup of tea on your desk, or even the view from your window. Notice the colors, the texture, the light and shadow. Pay attention to the small details, the things you might usually overlook in your daily hustle and bustle. The beauty of mindful observation lies in its simplicity. You're not trying to solve a problem or reach a conclusion. You're just observing, just being. And in this simple act of observation, you find a moment of calm, a break from the whirlwind of thoughts that often cause stress. Mindful observation helps you appreciate the world around you, reducing stress. Finally, mindful meditation, a powerful tool for stress relief. The beauty of this technique lies in its simplicity and accessibility. You can practice it anywhere, anytime, and it doesn't require any special equipment or expertise. So let's dive into the steps for mindful meditation. First, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. This could be a cozy corner in your home, a serene spot in your garden, or even a quiet park. The key is to choose a place that feels safe and peaceful to you. Next, adopt a comfortable posture. You can sit on a chair, a cushion, or on the floor, as long as your posture is upright and relaxed. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep, slow breaths. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. If your mind wanders, which is completely natural, simply acknowledge the distraction and gently bring your focus back to your breath. The aim of mindful meditation is not to clear your mind, but to become aware of the present moment. It's about observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. If you feel stressed or anxious, don't try to push these feelings away. Instead, acknowledge them, and then return your focus to your breath. Repeat this process for as long as you wish. You might start with just a few minutes a day, and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. And remember, there's no right or wrong way to meditate. The most important thing is to be patient with yourself. It's okay if your mind wanders or if you feel restless. These are all part of the process. Mindful meditation can significantly reduce stress, bringing calm and peace to your life. So why not give it a try? After all, a few minutes of peace each day can go a long way in enhancing your overall well-being. So, these are the 7 simple mindfulness techniques to help you manage stress. We've delved into the calming realm of mindful breathing, body scanning, mindful eating, walking, listening, observation, and meditation. Each one, a simple yet effective tool to help you navigate the tumultuous seas of stress. Let's recap. Mindful breathing, it's as simple as taking a moment to focus on your breath. Body scanning, a technique that allows you to tune into your body and its sensations. Mindful eating, transforming a daily routine into a moment of tranquility. Mindful walking, turning a simple stroll into a journey of awareness. Mindful listening, an exercise in truly hearing the world around you. Mindful observation, a technique to help you see the world in a new light. And finally, mindful meditation, a practice that invites calm and clarity into your life. Remember, mindfulness is a journey. Start small, practice regularly, and watch your stress levels decrease. Take care and stay mindful. Brought to you by Radiant Life Realities for your well-being.